Here is how to make delicious but simple scrambled eggs with bacon. It's a great everyday breakfast recipe that is fluffy, rich, and indulgent with a slightly smoky flavor. Here is how to make it. Fry the bacon on both sides till it is slightly crispy. I like to use streaky smoked bacon rashers, which have more fat and give the eggs a smoky-sweet flavor. Once cooked, cut the bacon into small pieces and leave it aside for a moment. Now, crack eggs into a mixing bowl and whisk together until yolks and whites are combined. While still mixing, add cream, some pepper, and a little bit of salt, but not too much as bacon can sometimes be quite salty already. Now, to make your scrambled eggs extra tasty, melt some butter in the pan. When the butter starts to foam, pour in the egg mixture and stir immediately. Keep stirring gently on medium heat to break up the eggs and help it to scramble. When the egg is nearly cooked but still quite moist, mix in the cooked bacon pieces and grated Parmesan cheese. Give it a quick mix and remove it from heat. Check out my other easy and delicious one-pan egg and bacon recipes. I have left the link in the description below this video. Check it out now.